Okay, here's my same tool, my same key that I was using. Here's my padlock that I had bought earlier, and I am still trying to use this plastic hammer. So I got a hint from somebody on the internet and advised that I should do some feather-light tension, and so we're gonna see if that works. And as you can see, it does. First bump, and this was open. Let's see if I can do that again. There it goes. Opened again. See if I can do that one more time. It's pretty hard since I'm a beginner to try to get that right feather-light tension, and it's like my fingers just barely on it. So you guys might want to try that for all you people like me that are just trying to know this sport. So I'm gonna see if I can do that again. There we go. One thing I noticed about this is sometimes it is open and it still won't turn, so you guys might want to try pulling the key out or pulling the key in a little bit further. And there we go.